Всем здравствуйте! Чалалан Америка гычшокшу Марий салам.
Sometimes described as Europe's last pagans, local Mari speak a Finno-Ugric language.
Although this integration was far from being peaceful, gradually the Mari were forced to...
The Mar people are called the last pagan society. Their religious rituals are characterized by harmonious devotion to nature. On the costume worn by my wife is machine embroidered. It is modern and made for the stage. Everybody to join in the Mara dance and stand
Everybody
clap. And when it starts singing,
Our Marий Shakira.
everyone can go to the dining room and we will try the Mara national dish,